Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Drink a full warm glass of water and eat prunes. This jumpstarts the colon by increasing fluid and providing natural laxative sugars. Once done, get up and walk briskly for 5-10 minutes because movement stimulates the gastrocolic reflex and sends a clear signal to your bowels. Make sure to sit with good posture if you need to attempt a bowel movement. Lean forward, knees higher than hips, because mechanical alignment helps evacuation. Continue breathing slowly and calmly to avoid straining. Once you've tried water, prunes, and walking, perform a clockwise abdominal massage for 5 minutes to move stool along the colon. Press gently and follow the path from the right lower abdomen upward. Then, if stool is still firm, take 10-15 grams of soluble fiber like psyllium with a full glass of water to absorb liquid and soften bulk. Make sure to adopt a squat-like position using a footstool when you sit. This straightens the anorctal angle and makes passing stool easier without strain. To finish, if natural measures fail after several hours, take an over-the-counter osmotic laxative as directed. It draws water into the bowel to soften stool and typically works within 6-12 hours. Once the laxative is taken, continue sipping water and avoid excessive caffeine or alcohol because they can dehydrate you. Make sure to rest and try to maintain regular meals to re-establish rhythm. Troubleshooting tip: if you have severe pain, rectal bleeding, fever, or constipation lasting more than 2 weeks, contact your healthcare provider immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.